Hey, today we will review the organic lawn fertilizer. So this is not a chemical based fertilizer, this is a nutrition. So this nutrition is organic. This is plant based and it is called as Sunday Texas Lawn Kit. So what this kit is consist of, it is basically consist of these 4 liquid packets. One is here and this is very easy to apply. These are not granules. So you would put your hose on this side and then the spray would come from this side and it would take up all the liquid. So it is very easy to apply. There is a specific timeline on which you start each kit. This is the annual package. So in March to April, you would have to start with this, which is lawn starter kit. This is early spring, like this one. And they have different color pouches. So I'm just opening up this. So you see these different color pouches, right? These are all liquid pouches. So second one, we are supposed to do it in mid-spring. Then this one would be on the summer. And then the last one would be green machine early fall, which has iron contents. So you just have to attach the hose and then spray it evenly on the lawn. It takes hardly 10 to 15 minutes. The hose goes from here and the water spray comes out from here. So it's easy 10-minute job, and the cost for which I got these organic material like the organic nutrition, this was only $60 for me. So I really encourage you that instead of applying the chemical based fertilizers, you could try this product. This is really nice and I got 2 of them. You can get it from Amazon. The link is below, so you can order from their website. But I got it from Costco and the cost was roughly $55. So for each application, it's just $15. Easy to do, but you will get a greener lawn and a very good lawn. For any questions, leave the comment, and thanks for watching the video. Love and Prem from Premacy.